Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening yet another box for Shadowverse Evolve featuring the Idolm ster Cinderella Girls. And since there was a comment last time, no, I will not be opening the freshest set all the time for each game, but instead I open what I want. Sometimes that might overlap with the freshest set, sometimes, like in this case. Set was released October, I think, last year, if I recall correctly. So in this case, we're opening an old set. Oh no. So I hope you don't mind, because we can still have some fun opening old packs. So without further ado, let's see what we get. Here we are, first pack. Already boring. We have a Fumika, Sagisawa, and as always, I have no idea of the Idolm ster in general. Other than it's an idol show. On to the next pack we go. Where we have a Shiki Ichinose and a Kanade Hayami. And that's it here. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get. We get a Kaede Takagaki and a Chitose Kurosaki, as well as an evolved Aiko Takamori. Doing my best here, pronouncing your names as always. On to the next one. Then we have a foil Rika Yogasaki with a cute little bunny. I hope it's visible. And a master trainer. On to the next one. Let's see what we get here. We get an Akane Hino. And that's it for that pack. Moving on. We get an Akari Tsushino. And the Whispers of a Dream, which by the way by now is still a good card. On to the next one. We'll get a Rin Shibuya and an evolved Tsukasa Kiryu. And it's the last pack for the right side. Let's see what we get out of that. We get a Takumi Mukai and a evolved Uzuki Shimamura. And then we move to the left side. As always. Where we get a Mio Honda. And that's it. And on to the next one, where we have a Miho Kohinata. Also with the stamp. Very cool. And a Anastasia. And on to the next one we go. Where we have a Tsukasa Kiryu. And that's it. And we move to the next pack. What will we get? We will get a Syuko Shiomi and an evolved Yuzu Kitami. That's really, really shiny. And on to the next one. With a Chitose Kurosaki, once again, this time on the right side. The stamp. And a Classroom Lily. And that's it here. 3 packs left to go. Let's see what we get. We get a Yuzu Kitami. And that's it here. Second to last pack. And we get New Wave. That's a decent one. We also get an Akira Sunasuka and a evolved Ranko Kanzaki, which looks cool. And we're down to the last pack. So let's see what we have in that one. We have a Yui Otsuki. Oh, that's something. With a lovely stamp, this time on the left side. That's cool. And we also have a Center Street. And that's it here. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.